Okay, first clue. Isa sa mga nauna at idolo ng mga bago, isang mahusay na makata. Poet? Poet bang ating ano natin? Pero kung minsan ay pilyo, minsan naghahanap ng pangit at nahirapang maging pogi. Parang alam ko na, naging DJ, artista, at ngayon may record label na pagmamayari. Meron siyang 32 blockbuster movies and 19 platinum album awards. I'm thinking, ang surprise guest natin for today is Andrew E. Yes!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Sir Andrew E. Oh my gosh, we have a legend with us on the show today. Thank you for surprising us today.
Hi, Pia. Thank you.
Dead giveaway kasi yung ano parang kahit walang ibang isamang words sa pangit tsaka sa pogi, lagay mo lang yung words na yun doon. Andrew E. na yung top of mind na iisipin.
Doon sa clue na pangit, nahirapan sila. Doon sa pogi, nadalian sila.
Oh, actually, na-confuse ako doon. Pero nung sinabi pogi, ayun, eto na, yun na yun. It's because, syempre, those words are so associated with the song Humanap Ka ng Pangit. Especially for someone from my generation. Kasi high school pa lang kami, sikat na yung kanta. And that song has really stood the test of time. Because even my daughter knows that song. Grabe.
Oh, wow.
It's so cool to have you at the show. I actually just saw you on Family Feud. And I was telling my husband, Andrew E. has a concert coming up. Tama, di ba? Because you were there in the show and you mentioned that you have a concert coming up.
And I enjoyed the show and muntik kaming manalo, but that's all right.
But when is the concert?
11 December. So it's so monumental for me because it's going to be my very first in all those 34 years for me in the industry. It's my first solo concert, solo major concert. So, I've done so many things in my career, and yet I forgot doing one thing, which is like do a solo concert. So here it is for the crowd and for the madla. Coming up this December 11th at the New Frontier Theater, produced by Ticket One. I had a super special guest coming in with me, one of which is, of course, the main girl, Miss Regine Velasquez. Yes.
Oh,
Not only that, Miss Heaven Peralejo. Yes. And
wow.
of course, Concert King, Martin Rivera will be there. And of course, Enigma, the Flip Top Master will be there.
Wow!